Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find the summation in here. The first thing we need to use about partial fractions. So I will put about 8 over k and b over k plus 1 and c over k plus number 2. And now we can do common denominator. So in this one, it is missing about k plus 1 and k plus number 2. So capital A multiplied by k plus 1 and k plus number 2. So the next one, it is missing about k and k plus number 2. So capital B multiplied by k and k plus number 2. About this one, it is missing about k and k plus number 1. So C multiplied by k and k plus number 1. So this one over k plus number 1, k plus number 2. And now we need to expand. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of cake. About case where we have A, B, C. About cake, we have 3 with 8, number 2 with B, and number 1 with C. So we have 3A, 2B, and 1C. About the numbers, we have 2, 8. Now, we need to compare coefficients. We can see that we just have only number 1. So that means 2, 8 equals to number 1. We don't have k and k square. So this one, you got number 0. And this one, you got number 0. So we need to find the solutions of ABC. So 8 equals to 1 over 2. B equals to negative number 1. C equals to 1 over 2. After we got this one, we go back in here. So we put about the summation from k equals to number 1 to positive infinity. So A, we have 1 over 2. B, that is about negative number 1. C, that is about 1 over 2. So, for this one, when k equals to number 1, so I will put number 1 gone here, number 1 gone here, and number 1 gone here. So we have the first term that is about 1 over 2, and we have number 1 in here. This one, that is about number 2. This one, that is about number 2 multiplied by number 3. Now, let's go to k equals to number 2. So we put number 2 gone here. This one we have negative 1 over 3. This one we have number 4. So let's go to k equals to number 3. And now I will analyze this white. You can see that this one plus this one, you will got about 1 over 3. And we know that negative 1 over 3 will cancel about this one. So I will consider about diagonal in here. So that will cancel in this way. So this is similar for k equals to number 4. So we have diagonal in here, and this one, they will cancel, and the process I will repeat many times in here. So this number they will cancel. 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2. This one they cancel. So this one cancel. So we just have only this one left. And this one that is about 1 over 4. So the final answer in here, that is about 1 over 4. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.